Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. So, today, in our online class of science, we are going to start assessment sheet 4, which is having some exercises from lesson 10 and 11. So, first is answer the following questions. Part A is what are germs? So, as we studied, germs are small living things that cannot be seen with the naked eye. They cause diseases. Part B, what are renewable sources of energy? We all know that energy generated from natural resources like sunlight, wind, and water are called renewable sources of energy. Part C is what is conservation of energy? So students, its answer is the wise and judicious use of energy is called conservation of energy. Part D is list 5 ways to conserve energy. 5 ways to conserve energy are use CFL bulbs or LEDs. Number 2, turn off lights and fans in any room not being used. Third, walk short distance instead of using a car or scooter. Number 4, go in carpools to a common destination. Number 5, turn off the car's engine if waiting on a long and busy traffic light. Now part E is what do you know about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? So as we all know, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India movement is a campaign by the government of India to clean the streets, roads, infrastructure of the country's cities and towns. This campaign was officially launched on 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat, New Delhi by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So these are the question answers of this assessment sheet. Now number 2 is define. First, germs. So germs are tiny living things that cannot be seen with the naked eye. B, non-renewable sources of energy. So its answer is sources of energy that are formed from buried remains of plants and animals that lived millions of years ago is called non-renewable sources of energy. Part C, cleanliness. So condition free of dirt and germs is called cleanliness. Part D, solar energy. So we all know that energy obtained from the sun is called solar energy. Part E, renewable sources of energy. Energy generated from natural resources like sunlight, wind and water are called renewable sources of energy. So now question number 3 is match the following. So in this question we have to match the parts of the body to the things used for cleaning. First is brush. So we all know brush is used to clean our teeth. Next is nail cutter. Nail cutter is used to trim our nails. Third, shampoo. Shampoo will wash our head. And part 4, is the towel by which we will wipe our body after bathing. Question number 4 is write yes or no. We have to write yes for the correct statement and no for the wrong statement. So part A is we should pick our nose. So this should not be done. So write no. Part B, we should never comb our hair. This is also a wrong statement. We should comb our hair to get our hair free of dirt and germs. Part C, we should use CFL bulbs. Yes. So write yes as CFL bulbs will save the energy. Part D, cycle instead of driving. This is also a correct statement. So write yes. Part E, keep the environment pollution free. So student, this is also a correct statement as it is our responsibility to keep our environment pollution free. I hope you might have understood all these exercises. So for homework, you have to learn and write all these exercises in your notebook. That's all for now. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.